Okay, so today we are going to face this hookah. So first I took a picture and I am going to make encapsulation for this aluminium part because threads in which the legs go are broken, so we will need to modify that. Now I have scaled the picture to correct dimensions, and I am looking for the best solution for this encapsulation enclosure, however you want to call it. Now I am going to make 1/4 of this encapsulation, and then I will do two times mirror, or 4 times, I forget exactly what I did, but this was not the cleanest design. I had to convert it to STL, then to repair it, and then to add holes and so on. You will see that later in this video. I will now shut up and I will let you watch the designing process. So see you in like 5 minutes. Okay, so I was not able to record all modification, but I have successfully modified this part, and this is third iteration on the screen, and I have printed this third iteration, and it fitted perfectly. Now what you need to order is M10 millimeters, 25 millimeters length nuts, 4 pieces. Then you will need 4 pieces of M8 25mm nuts, and you will need 4 pieces of M8 spacers, hexagon spacers, 30mm for this project. Also later on you will need other things, as we will see in a couple of seconds. Now you will need a drill bit, and you will need M10 nut engraver, but not pattern engraver, I forgot how it's called. But we will need to drill 4 holes, and then we will need to put this nut, how it's called, I forgot. Well, you know what I mean. We will need to put these nut threads, yes, threads. We will need to put these threads in these holes, and then to put through M10 screws. As you can see, I am doing this threading manually. It is under some kind of angle, I don't know exactly what, probably 45 or maybe 35 degrees. So first idea was not to go all the way through, but later on I drilled too much and I went all the way through, and that was actually the best decision I made, because it's better for the screw to go through, because it has more contact surface. Now this aluminium is garbage. I think it's aluminium or some aluminium alloy, something like that, but it's garbage, and this is really bad design for this Shisha, because these threads are not good for this outdoor Shisha. I mean, it's intent because you can level using these 4 legs Shisha, and I don't know who in the right mind uses aluminium threaded legs. So as we will see later in this video, these threads on aluminium legs are really bad, and I think this will need to be glued to hexagon spacers or welded. I don't know how that will be done, but I have went to some manufacturers here locally, and I will try to weld them, and then I will be able to tell you how exactly it is doable. Now I think this is some American standard, because I was not able to find threaded rods that can replace this black part of the leg locally, because our threads are different than American, I guess. I tried a lot of different options, so I was only left with this spacer option. Now this is drill and repeat process. It's time consuming, but what can we do? I mean, it's such a waste. It's nice hookah, nice Shisha. It's such a waste of material and of perfectly good hookah. Now the person that used it broke also the glass bottle, because the leg fell off and it crashed on the ground. So I will need also to find the glass bottle for this, and it is not easy task. It was easier making this video and everything here than finding this bottle, replacing that bottle. Now we are putting these hexagon nut spacers on the legs, I'm tidying up, cleaning up the working space. And when I was doing this aluminium, I noticed it's really bad quality aluminium. Now we are going to assemble this. As you can see, there are 3 iterations, and the third one is the final one. Now it's a little bit hard to tighten the screws to this part, but it's let's say doable. You will need a momentum on the inbus. Now I'm cleaning this Shisha, these parts with wet wipes, and every leg is going to be assembled, and it will have this nut insert which is 30 mm in length added to it. 5 mm on the leg and 25 on the nut that is going to go through there. It's perfectly 30 mm. And I think it looks even more, it looks better, even more, I think it looks better this way than other way. With this repair, it looks even mightier, let's say. And that's it. Shisha is near completion. It is missing bottle and some other things. I am putting now the nuts, final nuts, and we will see now close up of the Shisha. It looks really good. It looks really good. It needs some modification, but I think this is the final solution for this Shisha. And you can buy this design. You can request and I will sell you this design. If you need to fix your Shisha, maybe later on I will sell kits for repair and so on, or some modifications. So see you in the next video and in the next repair. Goodbye.